शान्तिपाठ। ॐ भद्रं कर्णेभिः शृणुयाम देवाः। भद्रं पश्येमाक्षभिर्यजत्राः। स्थिरैरङ्गैस्तुष्टुवागुंसस्तनूभिः। व्यशेम देवहितं यदायुः। स्वस्ति न इन्द्रो वृद्धश्रवाः। स्वस्ति नः पूषा विश्ववेदाः। स्वस्ति नस्तार्क्ष्यो अरिष्टनेमिः। स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्दधातु। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। पेज नंबर 4, फर्स्ट मंत्र। अथाश्वलायनो भगवन्तम् परमेष्ठिनम् उपसमेत्य उवाच अधीहि भगवो ब्रह्मविद्यां वरिष्ठाम्। सदा सद्भिः सेव्यमानां निगूढाम्। यया चिरा सर्वपापं व्यपोह्य परात्परं पुरुषं याति विद्वान्। महर्षि अश्वलायन approached Brahmaji, Chaturmukha Brahma, accepting Ashwalayana as his student. Lord Brahma is going to give that Brahma Vidya. Ashwalayanaha, the Rishi, Bhagavantam Parameshtinam, the Brahmaji, Upasametya, having approached Samyak properly with humility, with Shraddha and Bhakti, devotion. Uvacha, Vach dhatoho, Lat uvacha, Uchatuhu, Uchuhu. For grammar students, that Uvacha means asked, anartha. That Atha indicates after acquiring qualifications to study Vedanta. It is a Mangalacharanam also we can take, or thereafter. What he asked, Hey Bhagavan, Adhihi, please teach me. Bhagavaha, O Lord Brahmaji, please teach me. Adhihi. What you have to teach me? Varishtham Nigudham Brahma Vidyam. Before going to see those words, this Adhihi we were seeing in the last class. I said Adhihi means Ashwalayana asked Brahmaji, you please remember the whole teaching loudly so that I can listen and I can understand. You remember or you just memorize the whole teaching. When I said this word, some students raised their eyebrows. Adihi means Adhyanandane. No, he has come here, please teach me. How can you explain that is a memorizing, remembering? How Brahmaji remembers the teaching, Ashwalayana understand. Loudly, if he memorize, how can understand? Then after seeing some students' faces, then I dwell upon that what is this verb, some grammar points. Some students are making me to study more. I am very happy. So that means some grammar students are here. I can understand some of you have studied already from me, some grammar. So that I am deliberately going towards a grammar point. Why we have to take that meaning? Interesting. You also can learn some grammar also here. See, Adhipurvaka, there are two dhatus, two verbs. Other students please ignore. Those grammar, Talavali students only. Really, Talavali da. But it is very interesting. I love this portion, therefore I want to tell you. There are two dhatus, verbs. Dhatu means verb. One is in dhatu, ing dhatu. Another is ik dhatu. In and ik. Both are second conjugation. Second conjugation, they belong to only one gana. This ing dhatu, second conjugation lo atmanepada. In adhyayane. In illa, ing adhyayane. Meaning is adhyayane. Teaching. Adhyayanam. Teaching and learning. Whenever the ing comes, it preceded by adhi. Adhipurvaka, nitya adhipurvaka. Adhi upasarga will be there, suffix will be there. No, it's not suffix, prefix. Prefix will be there. Adhipurvaka, nitya adhipurvaka in dhatoho. In dhatoho adhyayane. This is the meaning. When you take this is Atmanepada. Atmanepada, but Adhihi is not Atmanepada, he has given Parasmanepada. Adhihi is a Parasmanepada, Lot, Madhyama Purusha Ekavachanam. So Adhihi cannot be Atmanepada now, because it is in Parasmanepada. Then this same, another dhatu we have to see. That dhatu is ik dhatu. Nitya adhipurvaka ik dhatoho. It is second conjugation, but parasmaipadi. Lot. This is also lot, that is also lot. So, there in the 2a, it will come like this only. Adhitam, adhiyatam, adhiyatam. In that, the lot, this will not come. This second conjugation will not come. That means what? We have to take Parasmaipadi. Parasmaipadi if we take, that is Adhyetu, Adhitat, Adhitam, Adhiyantu, Adhihi. It comes. Lot la Madhyama Purusha Ekavachanam, Adhihi it comes. That means Adhihi, Adhipurvaka, Nitya Adhipurvaka, Ik Dhatu will become Adhihi. Here, ik means smarane. And artham. Now, teaching pannanuvana ivala kattikkanum. Puriyarda? Kashtam. Ennoda kashtam, I want to show you how difficult for a teacher to teach. Teachers can understand. How difficult. See, ik dhatu smaranarthe. It cannot be adhyayanarthe. If it is adhyayanarthe, it cannot be adhihi. That cannot be lot parasmapada. This is adhihi is parasmapada. Atmanepada only. Adhyayane meaning will come. But here adhihi is there. It must be ik dhatu parasmapada. Therefore it is smaranarthe. Morning it took 1 hour for me to refer grammar books In a two conjugation, same gana, one is Atmanepadi, one is Parasmanepadi, one is giving different meaning. Here, the Upanishad is telling Adhihi means Smaranarthe. So, Smarana, how a teacher can Smarana? No, mantra says that. That means, why this? All this explanation, why? The purpose is this. The idea behind this is conveyed here in this Adhihi. You can never teach a person. This is what I said last class. A person can never teach if other person is not ready or fit for learning. Nobody can teach other person. We can only provide the conditions. I will tell you. Very important. We can only provide the conditions. No teacher can teach Brahma Vidya. What does it mean? It is called facilitation. Facilitation means I provide the facility to the student to grasp the teaching. Teacher can does that much only. With this intention only Upanishad is putting Adhihi in. These are all very deep, subtle subject matters. I need not say, but I feel like to say to see all of your faces. You are all very, very, sincere students. Now, just as there is a plant, if the plant, I cannot make the plant to grow unless the seed has the potential power to grow. Unless the seed has a potential power to give mango fruit, mango seed must have mango fruit, yielding the mango fruit power that must be having. My job is only providing water, providing fencing, providing that ground properly. That's all. I cannot provide the capacity of creating the mango fruit in the seed. That means the seed must be having already yielding the mango fruit in that seed. So what I am doing, I am providing the facility to that seed. Unless the potential power is not there, I cannot create. Clear? Therefore, my job is only providing conditions for growing. Unless it has a potential power to become a plant, I cannot bring out the tree at all. However much you put manure, you come out, grow. I don't have power at all. How can I grow? Similarly, unless the student has got the power, internal shuddhi, that focusing capacity, inner samskaras, tivra mumukshutvam, if they are there only potentially in the student, the teacher can provide the facility. The teacher can provide the facility. Clear? Now I hope you understand. That is called Adhi here. So the teacher is go on reminding herself or remembering the teaching when you are listening. I cannot hammer, always all you listen, unless you have that readiness. So students say, I listen and absorb when you remember loudly. That is the meaning. The student Ashwalayana says, I listen and absorb when you remember loudly. Just as the mother feeds the baby according to months, liquid, solid, semi-solid and solid food, like that. The pariprashna. This is called pariprashna. Adhihi bhagavo brahma vidyam varishtham. After doing sashtanga namaskara, he is, up to here we saw in the last class. So Adhihi I have given little elaborate explanation, very important. Now see the next, he is talking about the glory of Brahma Vidya. First point, that Brahma Vidya is Varishtham. Varishtham means the noblest, the best nartham. Noblest or the best. Variyas, Sakarantaha, Strilingaha, Variyas Sabdaha. Here Varishtham is a superlative degree. Superlative. Positive degree, comparative degree, superlative degree. So, Varishtham. What do you mean by Varishtham? Akaranta Strilingaha Variyas Sabdaha Dvitiya Ekavachanam. Varishta, Varishthe, Varishtaha. Rama, Rame, Ramaha. Like that. Then Varishtham Dvitiya Ekavachanam. Varishtham. Varishtham. Noblest. This is the first one glory of that teaching. What is the second glory of that Brahma Vidya? Nigudham. Nigudha means inaccessible, very deep, very subtle, the most secret. And Brahma Vidyam, that is that knowledge of Brahman, Brahma Vidya. Knowledge of Brahman. That third glory is this noblest and the secret, the most secret knowledge of Brahman, sought after by or pursued constantly. Sevyamanam sada sadbhihi. Sadbhihi means sadhana chatusthaya sampannaihi or shuddha sampannaihi, or by pure minded people like you. Pure minded people like you. The noble ones, Sadvihi means by the noble ones. Sevyamana means pursued, sought after, seeking by. Sevyamanam. How? When? Sada, with commitment, waiting for Thursday class. When it will come, when it will come. Swamini, every day you keep class. They are all called. That is called commitment. No? Sada sadbhihi sevyamanam, such a Brahma Vidya which is secret and the noblest. Okay, what is the phalam? He is giving phalam. Yaya Vidwan, this is all words of Ashwalayana. Ashwalayana has got a knowledge that there is a Brahma Vidya which is very secret and the most noblest one, and which is sought after by the noble people, pure minded people. Such Vidya you teach me, he is asking. Yaya, by knowing which, by which knowledge, Vidwan, the wise person, once he learned this knowledge, he attains this knowledge, he will become wise. That wise man, wise person, Vidwan, Sarva Papam Vyapohya. Once he approached his teacher and learned this Vidya, all his papams will go away. Sarva Papam means Sanchita, Agami, even including Punya also. Punya also will go away means what? Even no next birth in Artham. Punya is a golden chain, Papam is a iron chain. Okay. In Arabian countries, if anybody commit a mistake, they kill the person with an iron sword. If a Raja, the king of that Arabian countries, if they commit a mistake, they kill him with a sword, a golden sword. Golden sword enna, iron sword enna, thala poradhukku enna sword enna. What is the use? Illaya? Adi madri president car driver. Driver da president car driver aatalu, even other person. Adi madri punyam also is a cause for bondage. Even Shastra says punyam also don't ask for punyam. Punyam ketiyo vande tiripi enna. That sarva papana including punya also. Sarva papa nivrityartham. Nivartakam, not nivrityartham, nivartakam vyapohya. Then he attains achirat purusham yati. Before long, soon. Self-knowledge he attains soon. Very soon. Attained, you see, very soon and not by overnight. I mean, in class night in Brahmagnanam Varumana Kekakudad. It is not a revolution, it is an evolution. It's slowly, gradually it will come. Ada achirat, not too long, not so many janmas. If you attend every Thursday classes, you will get it. That is achirat. In the janmala anardam. Okay, yati means attains. This is the fifth glory. What is the fourth glory? Sarva papam vyapohya. Papa nivartakam. That is the fourth glory. Varishtham is the first glory. Sevyamanam sada, or that you can take third. Nigudham is the second glory. Sevyamanam sada sadbhihi is the third glory. Fourth glory is Sarva Papa Nivartakam, fourth glory. Then fifth glory is Purusham Yati, final, ultimate, penultimate result. Brahman, he attains that Brahman. Purusham means Brahman. Yati means attains. He attains Brahman. So it is a liberated knowledge is the first glory. This knowledge persuaded by many great people is the second glory. This knowledge cannot be available outside as an object because it is nigudham. Therefore you cannot. Seeking itself is a denial of sartana. Seeking itself is a denial of sartana. I go on seeking for Brahman. I want to know Brahman. I want to know Brahman means I am discarding my Brahmanhood. I am already Brahman, but I am searching for Brahman outside as an object. Otherwise, seeking Brahman outside is as good as a denial of the sartana. The seeker is Brahman. Seeker ne negate panni, I am seeking outside. The periya mistake. All educated people, no? Educated people also commit mistake. The seeker himself is Brahman, but seeking outside for Brahman is like a person very carefully walking. When you go to villages, the houses are, the dwarams are very low. You have to bend panni ponum. Otherwise, you will get bump. So therefore, this person is already tall, went from that some urban city, went to village. And அவர் சொன்னாங்க ஜாகிரதை போ நிறைய வாசல் இருக்கும் வீட்டில். நான் இப்படி மாதிரி 2 bedroom ஃப்ளாட் எல்லாம் கிடையாது. அப்போ என்ன, ஒரு வீட்டுக்கு 15 ரூம் 20 ரூம் இருக்கும். ஸோ யூ ஹாவ் டு கோ ஸ்லோலி கேர்ஃபுல்லி. திஸ் பர்சன் bending head and going slowly in every entrance. And walking some place, they said actually that is very lowest entrance. So you have to keep there only. Even ella entrance he is bending head. Exactly, ange vandappa matra thala he raised. He got the bump. In the example, kada nalla irukku. Many people having come to religion, having come to Swamiji's, Swaminis, listening Bhagavad Gita, Upanishads long time, still this orientation will be there and they work for Brahman Darshanam. The bump. Pashyannapi na pashyate. Instead of coming from, in spite of coming to a teacher, in spite of learning, and the orientation po maatingiradhu. Therefore, we have to remove that. That's why Shastra says, Siddhasya siddhihi, Praptasya praptihi. What am I getting? Attaining Brahman. Purusham yati means I am attaining Brahman, which is already my nature. Praptasya praptihi. Siddhasya siddhihi. I am already that. That only I am owning up. Not getting, but owning up. இந்த கெட்டிங்குக்கு ஓனிங்குக்கு டிஃபரன்ஸ் இருக்கோ இல்லையோ? இருக்கு. அப்ராப்தவத் அவித்யா. இட் இஸ் ஆஸ் குட் ஆஸ் நாட் அக்வைர்ட் பிகாஸ் ஆஃப் இக்னரன்ஸ். பிராப்தவத் வித்யா. இட் இஸ் ஆஸ் தோ அக்வைர்ட் த்ரூ நாலேஜ். Because of ignorance, it is not acquired as though. Because of knowledge, it is acquired as though. There is no acquiring also, no getting also. Adinna Swamini appadi solreel, appadida puriyum, appuram puriyum. Whatever lost by ignorance, gained by knowledge alone. I lost my real nature by ignorance. I got my Swarupam by knowledge. That's all. Notional correction. So key is in your pocket. It is just like this Key is in your pocket. You go on searching. No? Some ladies like that. Pen they keep here, backside. I did like that many times. I used to search for my pen. How can I get pen? Inga da irukku pen. Kanta chaamikara nyayam. Chinna minor chain போட்டுட்டு கழுத்துல மெல்லிசா இருக்கும். The platinum chains எல்லாம் மெல்லிசா இருக்கும். அது இருக்கிறதே தெரியாது. வெயிட்டே கிடையாது. எங்கேயோ பின்னாடி போயிருக்கும். And searching for where is my chain, where is my chain. I'm happening here only. I have to see mirror. Then you can know. Somebody has to say it is in your neck only. On your neck only it is. Don't search outside. Like a guru also should come and say, you are that Brahman. Therefore, another important word, next page, param parat. Parat param purusham. So, this Brahman, what he attains, what type of Brahman is this Brahman? Another important word. Parat param. Parat param means param means supreme, beyond anartham. Parat means maya. Very, very technical this word. Param, he attains purusham, param purusham. Parat means maya anartham. Why we can say this maya? Knower of this person, param, he attains purusham. Mayayaha param is beyond maya. Purusha is beyond maya. In the Purushan? Not our local Purusha. Okay. Parat param purusham yati means mayayaha param. That is the meaning. What is maya? Yama samaya. What is not there, that is maya. Adi sari. Asli enna meaning maya 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 nu ore mayam pandrele anna. Maya is nothing but a relative anartham. Relative anna bandhu kadiyadu. Relative means any relative is a mixture of pain and pleasure. Pain and pleasure. Or good and bad. Good and bad. Relation means pain mixed pleasure in artham. Pain mixed pleasure. PP. Pain mixed pleasure. Dukkha misrita santoshaha. Dukkha misrita sukham. ఏదేదిలో దుఃఖ మిశ్రితమ్మా సుఖం ఇరుకుమో అదెల్లా మాయదా. అప్పుడు నమ్మ అనుభవం ఎల్లా మాయదా. ఎదిలో దుఃఖం ఇరుకుమో ఎందెంత సుఖత్తులో దుఃఖం ఇరుకుమో అదెల్లా మాయా. హౌ కెన్ యూ డిఫైన్ లైక్ దిస్? రిలేటివ్ మీన్స్ పెయిన్ మిక్స్డ్ ప్లెజర్. ఐ సెడ్ మాయా మీన్స్ ఐ గివెన్ ద డెఫినిషన్ దిస్ బికాస్ మాయా మీన్స్ గుణ దోష మిశ్రిత మాయా. Guna, dosha. Guna means sukham. Dosha means dukkham. Sukha, dukkha, guna, dosha, misrita, maya. It is called a relative reality. This param Brahma, param Purusha is parat param means guna, dosha, rahitam Brahma anartham. Parat na maya chonna. Maya and dukkha sukha dukkha misritam అని சொன்னேன். Pain pleasure mixture. Pain pleasure mixture is nothing but guna and dosha. Guna dosha always there in the maya. Therefore parat means maya. So Brahman must be beyond that. Maya means what? Brahman is free from sukha dukkha. Brahman is free from punya and papa. Brahman is free from and guna and dosha. So Brahman is, Purusham is beyond from sukha dukkha. Who is that Brahman? I the Atma. That means I am beyond what? Sukha dukkha. That's the Mahavakya. Clear there? Who attains? Who study Kaivalya Upanishad, they will attain. Who will attain? The person understand the nirgunam, guna rahita, dosha rahitam Brahma as himself or herself. Therefore, that person attain sukha dukkha vilakshana avastha. Attaining avastha kadiyadu. I am avastha rahitah. Sukha avastha nasti, dukkha avastha nasti. But who am I? I am the witnesser of sukha dukkha of the mind. அப்பா இது மேலே சொல்ல முடியாது, அவ்வளோதான். நெக்ஸ்ட் பராத் பரம். அதுக்கு தான் தியாகராஜ சாங் பராத் பரா பரமேஸ்வரா. புரியுறதா? அந்த பராத் பரா பரமேஸ்வரா இஸ் துவைத்தமு சுகமா அத்வைத்தமு சுகமான். இதுதான் அத்வைத்தம். அத்வைத்தம் தான் சுகம். துவைத்தம் எப்படி சுகம் கொடுக்க முடியும்? நெக்ஸ்ட் மந்த்ரா, செகண்ட் மந்த்ரா. தஸ்மை சஹோவாச பிதாமஹஸ்ச ஸ்ரத்தா பக்தி தியான யோகாதவேஹி. Now Saha Brahmaji, Saha Brahma, Chaturmukha Brahma, Pitamaha means the universal father. Saha means he or that Brahma, universal father. Tasmai, to him, to Ashvalayana, ha uvacha. Ho vacha is there. You have to split. Ha uvacha. Said, replied thus. Ha means duly, indeed, replied thus to him, to Ashvalayana. Tasmai, to Ashvalayana. What he replied, Ashvalayana, Brahmaji to Ashvalayana, Shraddha Bhakti Dhyana Yogadavehi iti uvacha. Oh Ashvalayana, may you, avehi means may you know that Brahman. Here also another grammar point. This you cannot find in some ordinary Prakarana Grandhas. These are all Upanishadic beautiful terms. Avehi means ava upasarga purvakaha in dhatu. முன்னாடி சொன்னது இங்கு தாத்து, இது வந்து இன்னு தாத்து. இன்னு தாத்து. திஸ் இஸ் ஆல்சோ 2p செகண்ட் கான்ஜுகேஷன். பரஸ்மை பதா லோட் மத்தியம புருஷ ஏகவச்சனம். இஹி இதாத் இதாம் இத. அவ பிளஸ் இஹி சந்தி அவேஹீன. இது அவேஹீன. Ava plus ihina, avehina. See, if you don't understand grammar, doesn't matter. You will get Brahma Jnanam. Okay, don't worry. This is just for grammar students, for their for improvement grammar. I am once in a while subtle points I will deal here. You may you know janihi ityartha. May you know. Ava upasarga purvaka ihi. Ava plus ihi avehi. Now he is giving the sadhanam. How you should know? May you know, he said. You know this Brahman. How you should know? Shraddha bhakti dhyana yogat. By yogat means panchami. By a discipline of yogat. Yoga means discipline here. Manana sadhanam yoga anartham. First one is Shraddha. Shraddha means here Shravanam ityartha. Shravanam, consistent, systematic study of Vedantic scriptures under a competent, alive teacher for a length of time is called Shravanam. Then Bhakti, you have to supply yoga to each one. Shraddha yoga, that means Shravana yoga. A discipline of listening consistently from one teacher. How many? Listening from a teacher and sollunga. One teacher and solladunga. Na thirupi solluven. One teacher only you should listen. I gave so many times the reason also. Boy, you want to study physics, He cannot study from a teacher 1 month from one physics teacher, second month another physics teacher, third month another physics teacher. Can he get this physics knowledge properly? He get haywire knowledge, not proper knowledge. That's why when you change the children from school to school, mothers, you all of you know how the child undergoes tremendous psychological pain. Tremendous pain undergoes. You do not know that. They never say, I don't like this teacher, I don't like this school. But they show in different ways that. Even the child do not know that. That's why when you are changing the school, when you are changing the teacher, you have to be very, very careful. That is a turning point for children. If the teacher is changed, school is changed suddenly without giving proper help to them, that education will be spoiled. Same way here also. Why not in Vedantic study? You have to supply the same study for that matter, any subject. So from one teacher, Shraddha, Shravanam. Bhakti, again you add Bhakti Yoga ityartha. Bhakti Yoga. Bhakti Yoga means Manana Yoga. Manana means, see, Shravanam means making use of scriptural mirror. Okay, that is Shravanam. Mananam is Samshaya Nivrityartham. After studying, listening for a length of time, I may get lot of doubts. Samshaya. So, Samshaya Nivrityartham, to remove my doubts, or the removal of intellectual obstacles in the form of doubts. What are the doubts? Will come possible. How can I be the Atma? First doubt. Swamini solra na Atma. I am a miserable housewife. I know problems with my husband, my children, my mamiar especially. Some family members. I know I am a miserable housewife. Ordinary housewife. Shastra says you are wonderful, beautiful Atma. Enga sambandham irka. How can I be Atma? First doubt. Then second doubt possible is how scriptures can be right. Scriptures are telling I am Atma. But I am not finding nearby anywhere I am Atma. That is not able to swallowable for me. How can the scriptures be right? This is second doubt. In spite of listening, in spite of writing notes. So these are all doubts possible regarding God, regarding myself, regarding why Bhagavan has created like this. Why Bhagavan has created this type of husband? What type of husband I want? Why God has not created such a person? Bhagavan says, even though I'm like Bhagavan mera கோபமா வந்துடும். ஆள் எல்லர்ஸ் இது உன்னுடைய பிராரப்தம், அப்படி வர வேண்டி இருக்கு, அதுதான் நல்லதேன்னு சொல்லுவான். நமக்கு எப்படி இருக்கும், அப்படியே கோபம் வந்துடும். ஸோ இம்மீடியட்லி ஹூ இஸ் திஸ் பகவான், வேர் இஸ் ஹி? இந்த மாதிரி குழந்தை, இந்த மாதிரி ஹஸ்பண்ட், இந்த மாதிரி மாமியாருக்கு கொடுக்கணுமா? ஹூ இஸ் ஹி? ஃபர்ஸ்ட் லெட் மீ சி ஹிம் அண்ட் ஷவுட்டிங் அட் ஹிம். இன்னும் பூஜா ரூம் இருக்கே, போய் அங்கே போய் ஷவுட் பண்ணணும். Who is God? Why I have to suffer? Why me alone suffer? Why many people are happy? Why me alone suffer? Another doubt. Why these people are doing wrong things, committing mistakes at all? Why can't Bhagavan create a nice, beautiful world? Why Saddam Hussein he has created? Why Bin Laden he has created? Why local ministers troubling us all the time created? All these doubts. Okay. So on and on. So many doubts. I myself reflect on the teaching, how it can be. Again I reflect on my teaching, whatever I have learned, and that I remain dwelling upon that. If you discover this fact, there is a thrill. No, some of you feel so thrilled, no, sometimes. You are all the time thrilling, and when you discover, really Swamini, lot of improvement in me. Now how much thrill you are feeling, no? That thrill comes once your doubts are cleared, you feel so thrilling. Then dhyana, yogat means you can take dhyana means bhakti enna mananam chonna, shraddha enna shravanam chonna, இப்போ தியானம் சொன்ன நிதித்தியாசனம் అని అర్థం. ధ్యానం మీన్స్ నిధిధ్యాసనం. వాట్ ఈజ్ నిధిధ్యాసనం? అగైన్ కాంటెంప్లేషన్, జ్ఞాన యోగా ఇత్యర్థ. నిధిధ్యాసనం టు రిమూవ్ ఇమోషనల్ ఆబ్స్టికల్స్ కాల్డ్ విపర్యయ భావన, which is acquired from so many janmas. Throughout our life, I have acquired so many viparyaya bhavanas. That's why that knowledge will not bless. A doubtful knowledge is as good as ignorance. Conviction alone will bless the person. So here, Jnana Yoga is a Sakshat Karanam, direct cause. This Shravanam, Mananam, all these, even Karma Yoga, Upasana, all are Karma Yoga, Upasana we can take as Sahakari Karanam. I want to put this in a different way. Swamiji has given in this manner, but after reading this word, I feel like to put Shraddha means Karma Yogani, Bhakti means Upasana Yogani, Dhyana means Ashtanga Yogani, Avehi means Jnana Yoga. In my interpretation. அப்படியும் சொல்லலாம், தப்பு இருக்காது நான் நினைக்கிறேன். ஓகே, ஸ்ரத்தா பக்தி ஞான தியான யோகாத் அவேஹி. அவேஹி மீன்ஸ் ஸ்ரவண மன நிதி தியாசனம் எல்லாமே வந்துடும் அதில். அப்படி போடலாமா? எனிஹவ் ஐ வில் கன்ஃபார்ம். ஓகே, ஸ்ரத்தா பக்தி. Shraddha means attitude, no? Faith is an attitude. So therefore we take it under Karma Yoga. Bhakti means devotion. So we can take under Upasana Yoga. Right? Seeing the different angle. Dhyanam means Ashtanga Yoga. And Yoga, by these practices, you Avehi means knowing. Jnana Yoga. So Karma Yoga, Ashtanga Yoga, Bhakti Yoga, Upasana Yoga, Jnana Yoga. Ellame vandachu. Okay. This is the way you have to see. See, just as sowing the seed is Sakshat Karanam. Okay. Sakshat Karanam. And rain, cultivation, all are Sahakari Karanam. Sahakari means supportive. Karma Yoga, Upasana, Ashtanga Yoga, Asana, Dhyana, Pranayama, all these things are Sahakari, supportive, helpful. So, what is Viparyaya Bhavana? Sometimes we may get doubt, nothing. But some inside jealousy, hatred, inferiority complex, looking down upon oneself, and the mind go vulnerable sometimes beyond our control. பொறுத்துக்கோன்னு சொல்லுவா. என்ன பொறுத்துக்கிறதுக்கு ரொம்ப கஷ்டமா இருக்க. Shastra says Titiksha, பொறுமை. So therefore that is called this Irsha, Asuya, Bhavana, Bhayam, insecurity, all are Viparita Bhavanas. They will go by only conviction. This is just like a Pathyam Madri. Pathyam, doctor gives the medicine. Along with the medicine, what he gives? Diet also. இது சாப்பிடக்கூடாதுன்னு சொல்லுவான். பத்தியம் இல்லாமல் சும்மா மெடிசன் மட்டுமே சாப்பிட்டா பிரயோஜனம் இல்லை. பத்தியம் இஸ் சககாரி காரணம். It is also a karanam along with medicine. Therefore one shloka is there. How Pathyam helps a person? Pathyam aushadham sevacha kriyate yena roginaha. Pathyam, following the diet control, food discipline, as along with aushadha sevacha, medicine, both. Sevacha kriyate yena roginaha. Followed by those patients, what? Taking medicine and following Pathyam also. Arogya siddhi drishtascha. Arogya siddhi. He will get arogyam. Arogya siddhi drishtascha. Na anyanu anushtitaha karmana. Na anyanushtita karmana. Not by following any karma. நான் மெடிசன் சாப்பிட்றேன், ஜப்பம் பண்ணுறேன்னா, நான் மெடிசன் சாப்பிட்றேன், பத்தியம் மாத்திரம் ஃபாலோ பண்ண மாட்டேன். ஐ டேக் மெடிசின் பட் ஐ டூ பிரதட்சிணம் என்ன. பத்தியம் பதிலாக பிரதட்சிணம் பண்ணுறான். அந்நிய அனுஷ்டித கர்ம. Anyanushthita karmana, you won't get health. What karma you have to follow? Pathyam. Pathyam follow panna paityam anardham. So சில பேருக்கு மெடிசன் சாப்பிடுவா, பத்தியம் என்ன டாக்டர் அது சாப்பிடக்கூடாது இது சாப்பிடக்கூடாதுன்னு சொல்லுவா. இதுதான் சாப்பிடணும் சொல்லி சில பேருக்கு கோபம் வரும். மெடிசன் மட்டும் சாப்பிட்டு டாக்டர் சரி ஃபாலோ பண்ணிட்டான்னு சொல்லிவிடுவா. இந்த டிசீஸ் அப்படியே இருக்கும். அது மாதிரி சாஸ்திரம் படிக்கிறது ஔஷதம். பத்தியம் என்னன்னா இந்த குவாலிஃபிகேஷன்ஸ், ஆல் அதர் சைடு குவாலிஃபிகேஷன்ஸ் ஆர் ஆல்சோ ரிக்வயர்டு. నెక్స్ట్ మంత్ర నెంబర్ 3. న కర్మణా న ప్రజయా ధనేన త్యాగేనైకే అమృతత్వమానశుః పరేణ నాకం నిహితం గుహాయాం విభ్రాజతే యతయో విశంతి. Very important mantra. Another qualification. These are 3 qualifications here. Shravana, Manana, Nidhyasana. 3 qualifications. Now, Vairagyam is another 4th important qualification. Detachment. Vairagyam is detachment. Renunciation. Nissangaha. Sangarahitahatvam anartham. That is called sannyasa anartham. There are 2 types of sannyasa. External sannyasa, internal sannyasa. External sannyasa means leaving the job, leaving the family and leaving all relations, leaving the money, leaving everything and wearing saffron clothes, sitting alone, living alone is external sannyasa. Internal sannyasa is that there is no change externally. Being in the family, doing job, earning money and பற்று இல்லாமலே இருக்கிறது, அதுதான் இன்டர்னல் சந்நியாசா. விவேகபூர்வக சந்நியாசா, ரியல் இன்டர்னல் அந்தர் சந்நியாசா. லைக் யூ பீப்புள், யூ ஆர் ஸ்டடிங் உபனிஷத்துன்னு யூ ஆர் ஆல் சன்னியாசிஸ்ன்னு அர்த்தம். வீட்டில் சொல்லாதுங்க, கிளாஸுக்கு அனுப்ப மாட்டா. ஓகே, யூ ஆர் இன்டர்னல் சன்னியாசிஸ் because you reduce the external materialistic worldly life, because they are all materialistic, they will not help me for my spiritual knowledge. Therefore internally you detach with the outside world. No, ஒரு 10 நாள் குதிச்சுட்டு இருக்கு இல்லையா மெட்ராஸ், இங்கே பார்த்தா ஒரே ஹோட்டல்ஸ் ஆர் ஆல் பிஸி, பீப்புள் ஆர் ஆல் என்ஜாயிங். காவோ பீவோ மஜா காரோ பண்ணுறேன், நமக்கு என்ன வேண்டாப்பா. We are introverted. This is called internal sannyasa. இப்படி இருக்கும்போது சொல்லலாம் என்ன சன்னியாசி மாதிரி இருக்கேன்னு சொல்லலாம். இப்படி இந்த ட்ரெஸ்ஸுக்கு இந்த என்ன யூ ஹாவ் டு பி ஆக்டிவ் வித் ஆல் த பீப்புள் ஆல் த டைம். இப்படி இருந்தால் நீங்கள் சகிக்கவே முடியாது, அவங்களுக்கு கஷ்டம். அந்த அளவுக்கு மெட்டீரியலிஸ்டிக் அன்மாட்ட. பணம் 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 பணம், மார்னிங் ஆன்வர்ட்ஸ் டில் நைட்டு பணம் தான். ஸோ ஈவன் தே யூஸ் த காட் ஓன்லி ஃபார் பணம் சேக்கு, அந்த அளவுக்கு. ஸோ இன்டர்னல் சந்நியாசா. But Brahmaji is not giving the logic here how to get that vairagyam. But this is the mantra. When sannyasi is coming to your house, you have to chant this. Okay, sannyasi or sannyasini coming, you have to say, you the sannyasi or sannyasini left everything, you have come here, taken this sannyasa to get that Brahma Jnanam. See the meaning. Na karmana na prajaya na dhanena tyagena eke amrutatvamānaṣuh. The sannyasi, real sannyasi is one attained the amritatvam, immortality. Attained the immortality. Amritatvam means immortality, self-knowledge or liberation. He has attained by what? Tyagena. By tyaga, by renunciation. That's why while eating also, Annapurne, Sadapurne, Shankara, Pranavallabhe, Jnana, Vairagya Siddhyartham. Not for beauty contest. I am not eating for the Miss Universe or Miss Chennai. Kaha sapradilla. Vairagya Siddhyartham. So Vairagyam is important. That is called Tyagam. Here Tyaj dhatu. Tyagam means what? Tyaj, sacrifice, renounce. Like a lotus leaf. The lotus leaf is in the water, mud water, but water will not touch the leaf. That is called Tyaga, real Tyaga. And one person used to say, நான் காசிக்கு போகிறேன் சன்னியாசம் வாங்கிக்கிறேன்னு சொல்கிற பயம் கொடுக்குறேன் எப்போவுமே ஒய்ஃபுக்கு. ஏதாவது இந்த அம்மா கேட்கலன்னு சொன்ன வார்த்தை இது அடிக்கடி சொல்லுவார் இவர். அந்த அம்மாவுக்கு ரொம்ப பழகி போச்சு. ஒரு வாட்டி கேட்டுக்கிட்டு போயிட்டு வாங்குவான்னு போயிடுங்கன்னு சொல்லிட்டான். அவருக்கு அது மேலே அப்புறம் ஒன்றும் சொல்லவே இல்லை. அது மாதிரி சும்மா வெர்பல்லி சொல்லக்கூடாது. So that's why we should not say outwards. Internal sannyasa we want, that's all. So Tyaga, they renounce. They understood na karmana. By doing any amount of karma rituals, I am not going to get this amritatvam. They understood. Na karmana. Again, all are giving fleeting results, not permanent result. Swarga also, all are giving permanent like impermanent results. Permanent job enna? Probation period, permanent period. Probation period enna 6 months, 1 year. Afterwards, permanent ஆயிடுச்சு job. ஆளே permanent இல்லப்பா, என்ன job permanent அண்ணா? அதுதான் நம்ம permanent, local permanent. புரியுறதா? All rituals, by doing that you go to Swarga. What permanence? Even Brahmaji is not permanent post, temporary post. What to talk of ordinary people? Na prajaya, by getting children. That's why they say ருணானுபந்த ரூபேண பசு பத்னி சுதாலயான்னு ஒரு ஸ்லோகம் இருக்கு. இல்லைன்னா இன்னொரு ஸ்லோகம் இருக்கு. ருணமோச்சன கர்த்தாரஹ பிதுஹு சந்தி சுதாதயஹ. To remove the father's debt, children are there. ருணமோச்சன கர்த்தாரஹ பிது சந்தி சுதாதயஹ. Suta means son. To remove the father's debt. Shankaracharya says in Vivek Chodamani, Bandhamochana kartatu swasmad anyona kaschana. To remove your bondage, your own bondage. Bandhamochana kartatu swasmad anyaha. Other than you, no one will help you. No one can help you other than yourself to come out of this bondage. Shankaracharya says. Here, na karmana, na prajaya. Okay, lot of money is there. Can I get amrutatvam? Na dhanena. The more you have, the more trouble. You know that bank looting, you know, how much money gone. How many people kept lockers of money? Bank ke security illa. Security illa. Security guard ke security illa. Na dhanena. However much money, wealth will not give. Therefore, yatayaha vishanti. Sannyasis attain immortal self which shines beyond heaven. Nakam parena yad vibhrajate nihitam guhayam. The sannyasis attain this Atman which is guhayam, inside, nihitam, abiding in their own heart, located. Nihitam means located. Vritti Sakshi Chaitanya Rupena Vartate, which is located in the heart, which shines as though shines, okay, figuratively. Parena Nakam, beyond heaven. Kam means pleasure, Akam means pain, Na Akam means painless pleasure. Beyond Swarga Anartham. In the mood words, I will explain you later. No, you are very eager to know. Okay, I will explain. Yatayaha vishanti means sannyasis. Yati means sannyasi. Yatayaha. Sannyasis attain the immortal self. Parena nakam. Parena means beyond anartham. Brahma loka, atala vitala sutala patala talatala mahatala rasatala. All these lower lokas. Upper lokas, Bhuloka, Bhuvarloka, Suvarloka, Maharloka, Janaloka, Tapoloka, Satyaloka. Satyaloka, that is Brahmaloka. And the Brahmalokam, they will attain. What is that Brahmalokam? Where is it? Mela Pakadungo. Nihitam Guhayam. Nihitam na ingeda irukappa. Guham. Heart, in your own heart, it is there. Na vidyate dukkham yasmin. That's why Nakam. Nakam akam means papam. There is papa, there is naraka. Na akam, there is no papa, there is no naraka. Nakam swarga. Kam, pleasure. Akam, pain. But this Atma Jnanam, once you get, you are free from pleasure and pain. Pain venda Swami, pleasure irkalame. Yeah, every pleasure there is a potential sorrow. This is called Anubhavananda. Anubhavananda pain irunda ahum. That's why Gnani never vote for even Anubhavananda. Anubhavam வேண்டாப்பா, இது வரும் நாளைக்கு திருப்பி போயிடும். அதில் பொட்டென்ஷியல் சாரோ இருக்கு. அதனால ஆத்மனி ஏவ ஆத்மனா துஷ்டஹா. That is the meaning. Vibhrajate. This is the phalam. Vibhrajate yat yatayaha vishanti. This is the phalam. Vairagyam is not the means for liberation, but it is provide the, it is a sahakari karanam. Vairagyam venam. Simplicity. Simple life, high thinking. Simplicity is called vairagyam. Here. More. Next class. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.